What's going on, everyone, and welcome to Rocky Mountain Badger. Today, we're playing the prison. This is a brand new map at Flat Acres Farm, and we'll be using my Lancer Tactical LT-32. Today's mission, capture 2 enemy flags in their towers before they capture ours. Here's how it went down.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
I got right. Moving up. Watch that left side, boys. They're pushing left side.
Alright, I got the flag out of the pillar. The tower is in the hallway on the right side.
Copy, right?
Alright, let's get it.
Heads up, I do have another rough on the field. Please watch out. Don't take one. Thank you. Woo! Let's go, baby.
On your six. On your six. I got you. Push. Left clear. Left clear. Left clear. Right, right.
We got about a minute before we switch sides. About a minute before we switch sides.
Go, baby, go! Go! Get it there! Go, baby, yeah!
5, 4, sit there.
Let's go, baby!
5.
Did you grab that flag?
Yeah.
Good shit, buddy. Good shit.
Well guys, that's all we have for today's video. We ended up holding the enemy back and capturing a flag for the win. If you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm Rocky Mountain Badger, and we'll see you on the next one.